What is up guys, Tanner this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your account location in Roblox. So first head over to Roblox and then log in with your account, and after that on the right side click on the settings icon and then click on settings, and after clicking on settings, here you will see your personal account information and your location. As you can see, when you will come to the account info section here, you will see your account location. And after that, if the location is incorrect, click on this help button. And after clicking on the help button, a new window will open. So from this Roblox support help section, you need to click on Roblox account, which is the I need help with my account. After clicking on the right side, you can see the search bar. Click on it once and then search for location. And after you type location, simply hit enter, and then it will show you the relevant articles for this particular problem. As you can see, this is the accounts location article. So just simply click on this and then you can read it and change your location as it says. So if you can't find the solution here, you need to type the location again in the search bar, and then a pop-up will appear of account location. As you can see in the account settings, the account location, click on this and then in a new window, you will see the account location and you will be able to enter the details of your location. When you come to the account location, just scroll down a bit and then click on support form. And after clicking on the support form, a new tab of Roblox support will open. So from here, you first need to write your username and first name, but these are optional. And after writing these, you need to write your email address and then confirm it by just rewriting your email address. And after that, you just need to tell that what device are you having the problem in, click on PC, and after that, in here, you just need to select the category to how to, and after that, you need to click on how to change my location. And after that, you just simply need to describe your issue and then click on continue, and then you will be able to change your account location. So that was all for this video, everyone. This is how you can do it. Thank you for watching.